In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up user permissions in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account with admin access or the appropriate permissions to manage team settings. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and select Team Members. This is where FreshBooks keeps the list of users connected to your account. Next, choose the team member whose permissions you want to manage. Click their name to open their profile. This will take you to the team member details page, where you can review their current setup and see what level of access they already have. From here, scroll down until you find the Role and Permissions section. This area is important because it shows what the user is currently allowed to view or do inside FreshBooks. Take a moment to review the current role assigned to the team member. This helps you understand whether you're making a small adjustment or switching them to a completely different level of access. If role changes are available for that user, go to the Basic Information section and click Edit. Once editing is enabled, select the appropriate permission level or role for that team member. Be thoughtful here, because each role controls what parts of the account the user can access. It's a good idea to match the role to the person's actual responsibilities so they have what they need without giving more access than necessary. After selecting the new role, review the access rights connected to that permission level. This step helps you confirm exactly what the team member will be able to do after the update. If anything looks too limited or too broad, double-check your selection before moving on. When you're satisfied with the change, click Save to update the user's permissions. FreshBooks will apply the new settings to that team member's profile. Once the changes are saved, return to the team members page. Then open the same team member profile again to confirm the updated role and permissions are now showing correctly. This final check is useful because it helps you make sure the update was applied successfully and that the user now has the intended level of access. That's all there is to it. Setting up user permissions in FreshBooks is a simple process, but taking a moment to review each role carefully can help keep your account organized and secure. Thanks for watching.